Hello guys, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I share with you beautiful wall decor that I was able to make using mirrors from the dollar store. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get started. Since I wanted this project to be cost effective, I used a piece of plywood that I cut to size, and with that I will be using those octagon mirrors that I got from my local dollar store. First, I go ahead and remove the tabs on the back, and later on using some construction adhesive, I'll go ahead and glue the mirrors to the plywood. Here I added the construction adhesive on the plywood. I smear it over before I add my mirrors. For that, I will be using 5 mirrors, and I'll repeat the same step for each of them. At times, I move the mirrors around just to be sure that they are as straight as possible. Since this will be a 2-in-1, meaning it will be a wall decor and also a sconce, for the part where I could place something, I'm using those cubes that I also got from the dollar store. Glue a few of them together and then go ahead and add it to the mirror and create a shelf. Everything was glued together using the construction adhesive, but for a quicker hold, I did add some hot glue so everything could stay in place as the construction adhesive dries. I allow it to dry for a few hours, and next I started by cleaning the mirrors so I can proceed with the next step. To decorate where each of the mirrors meet, I went on and cut into size some rhinestone sheet that is already self-adhesive, and I just simply place it in the middle. I repeated that same step and placed some rhinestone sheet in where each of the 2 mirrors meet. Next, I went on and used the self-adhesive mirror decal and placed it in the middle mirror. to decorate the shelf that I created, I'll be using the small mirrors that I got from Amazon, and I will be putting it on each of the side of the octagon. I added additional glue on the backing so they can actually stay fused with the larger mirror. And next, to elevate the design, I used those button head and glue them in between where each of the smaller mirrors meet. Once everything were fully dry, I turned the piece over, and using this ring that I got from a shower curtain hook, I went on and glued it to the back of the plywood with excessive hot glue and also a piece of cardboard, and once that was fully dry, I was able to hang it on the wall. It turned out so beautiful that I had to create a second one. Just like I mentioned before, this project turned out so beautiful. I really love the outcome, and it elevates my walls, and I do love a good mirror decoration. If you guys think the same, go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not yet, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Well, I see you guys until next time. Bye.